Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be covering what's all done to my 2002 Acura RSX. And I should probably turn this filming thing to auto because I'm in manual right now and I probably look overexposed. But then again, I do kind of look like Chris Brown, huh? Yup. So here I have my 2002 Acura RSX Type S. I know, it kind of looks like a base model, but you know, it is what it is, pimp. It's an actual Type S, bro. But on the outside, here we have an eBay Icon Motorsports, which is, I believe, the best replica brand when it comes to poly lips. I highly recommend Icon Motorsports. They always have like the best fitting poly shit. Yeah, they're the truth. And that's the Type R replica front lip with a Dept Sport splitter, OEM bumper, eBay headlights, Amazon special quick latches. I probably shouldn't say quick latch because then that's like copyright infringement or something like that if you use the actual term quick latch. So quick disconnects, we're gonna go with that. Trying to be smart over here, bro. Then we got the Kansai wheels and 17x9 plus 22 offset with the Kenda tires, 215/40, I believe. I can't see because my tire letters that are from Treadwear, which is the best tire lettering company on the planet. Treadwear is literally legit the best because it's actual rubber. So you can actually clean it, it actually come off. It's nice. It's actual rubber letters. So that's legit. Then we got A-Spec, OEM A-Spec side skirts along with a Dept Sport chin splitter setup on the side skirt splitters. Then in the back, same thing as the front, no staggered wheels here, 17x9 plus 22, baby. Then in the back, we got A-Spec rear bumper, I mean not bumper, but lip, which is legit. That's a real A-Spec. It's just weird that I have a front fake one, but other than all, well, that's not an A-Spec front lip, that's a Type R, but this is an A-Spec rear lip. OEM bumper, of course, legit Honda badging, legit bro, Integra, eBay spoiler, that's not real, so I'm sorry to piss off all the OEM plus perfectionist people, my bad, big dog. Skunk 2 Mega Power exhaust, paired with a Skunk 2 Alpha header, and that's pretty much it for like the visual aspect of the outside that you guys see, nothing crazy. So, this is the interior of my baby girl. First thing you notice when you open the door is the Grip Royal steering wheel paired with a checkered sports hub. And then we got the beautiful DC5 push start. To all my DC5 boys out there, if you guys cannot find this particular bezel, a company called RA Division, I'll link them down below. They sell these for like 30 bucks shipped. So I bought this and now I have my push to start bezel perfectly imperfect. Next up, we got this beautiful Hybrid Racing V3 shifter. This comes from Hybrid. Yep, simple as that, bro. Use discount code Zosh to save 5% off on your order. Then we got a Pioneer. People always ask me, yo, bro, what double din do you have? This is an MVH AB251BT. This is the truth. So, yeah, man, that's what I got. As far as other interior, that's it. It's pretty much stock, bro. Stock setup, nothing really. Stock seats. You know you own an RSX when your seats look like this. Super facts. Engine bay. See how I'm breezing through this video? People be making these videos way too long. Nah, bro. If you want to know what's all done to my RSX, I'll show you, playboy. And here we have K2082 engine with 200,000 miles on it. Well, it has 199,656 or something like that. But I got Hybrid Racing shift cables, Hybrid Racing cold air intake setup that's been cut and converted to a short ram, Hybrid Racing fuel rail with the tucked fuel line from Hybrid Racing. I have a DC5 Creations AC tuck kit that removed all this stuff that you would see right here. All that's over there. See that it loops through the fender and comes through right here and boom, right to the condenser. Well, not condenser, but what is that called? What is that called? Dryer, I think. Shit, I don't know anything about AC, whatever. I have innovative motor mounts all the way around, baby, yeah. I have a Sage 3 action clutch in this bad girl. As far as coilover setup, these are function informed Type 1 coilovers. As far as my rear suspension setup is all MPC, which hopefully I can get on camera. There we go. I got MPC dropped rear lower control arms. I have the subframe brace, and I have the lower tie bar for it. So my suspension setup on the RSX goes crazy. It doesn't take much to have a good looking RSX or a perfectly driving RSX. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, this car is on K-Pro. This has K-Pro V4, so just forgot to mention that. Got full bolt-ons, RBC manifold, which I didn't show you, but yeah, I have an RBC manifold, Skunk 2 Alpha Series header, paired with an exhaust, makes 222 horsepower, and that's what it is, baby. That's what it is. But like I was saying, it really doesn't take much to have a nice looking RSX. Just a lip kit, splitters, wheels that fit, don't have that crazy looking zero offset. It just looks gross. I personally believe if you want 17 by 9 plus 22 offset or 35 with a 235/40 tire, the perfect fitment, perfect setup. It looks goddamn amazing. And yeah, man. And that's literally what's all done to my RSX. Really short and sweet video, nothing too crazy. Oh, I do also have a NISDA battery relocation. That's why you guys can see my battery in the engine bay. You guys can't see it, but there it is right there. You guys really can't see it, but it's literally, it's right in there. You guys can't see it, but and that's what's all done to my RSX. Nothing crazy, bro. Nothing too crazy, dude. Simple stock setup. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of this video. And I know you enjoyed this video. You wanna know why? Because you clicked the like button. Reverse psychology. I went to college for a semester and a half. I mean, I really only went to college for financial aid to build the Integra, and you know. Yes, I'm one of those. I've been getting questions of like, yo Zosh, bro, why don't you just do a raffle on the Integra? Give us a chance to win the car or something. You see, that sounds great, but like the way me and negativity and negative people is lined up, it doesn't work. I cannot deal with the negativity like, oh, you're just trying to scam your followers. I can't do it, bro. I'd rather just sell it off. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I did a waffle on the K-Pro, right? It was like, what, 100 spots, 50 bucks. So the total was like $2 grand, right? It was 3 winners. It was like $1,000 or K-Pro. The second one was like $250, I think, or $150. And the last one was like 50 bucks or something like that. So technically I didn't win. I didn't come up off anybody. It was like a way to either give somebody a K-Pro or give them $1,000. And I still got flagged for it. So it's like, I can't do it, bro. So that's why I'd rather just sell the car outright. And people keep asking me, yo Zosh, how much for the, I don't have a cash price. Like, I want to sell the car, but if I don't sell it, it is what it is, right? So like, I'm just accepting offers. So if you're watching this video like, oh man, that's a cool RSX, I would like to own it, buy it. You can buy it. Yep, you can. Just throw an offer to me, do DM. Do not ask me price. But that is going to be wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. No, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh, also, I drop merch, like shirts. Buy it. And if you don't, it's okay. I still love you. I see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.